In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of people into your database safely and accurately without losing important details. First, log into your HubSpot CRM account and head to the Contacts area. From the main navigation, choose Contacts, then select Contacts again to open your full list. This is your home base where you can start the import and later confirm everything landed correctly. In the top right, click Import, then choose Start and Import. HubSpot will ask where your data is coming from. Select File from Computer because we're bringing in a spreadsheet you already have. When prompted, choose one file and then one object and pick Contacts as the object. This tells HubSpot you're importing a single spreadsheet and that every row represents a contact record. Next, click Upload and select your CSV or Excel file. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly check your file. Make sure column headers are clear, remove blank rows, and confirm that email addresses are formatted correctly. Email is typically the unique identifier HubSpot uses for contacts, so having that column clean can prevent duplicates and errors. After the file uploads, you'll land on the mapping screen. This part is crucial. Match each column in your file to the correct HubSpot property. For example, map email to email, first name to first name, and last name to last name. If your file includes extra details like phone number or life cycle stage, map those as well. If you see a field in your file that doesn't have a natural home in HubSpot, click Create New Property to add it on the spot. Use clear names and the right field types so the data behaves as expected later. When your mappings look good, proceed to the review screen. Take a moment to confirm the summary, check for any unmapped columns you intended to include, and verify that your contacts have given permission to be contacted, especially if you plan to email them. This helps you stay compliant with marketing regulations and maintain healthy deliverability. When you're confident everything is correct, click Finish Import. Once the import completes, return to Contacts to verify the results. Use filters or a quick search to spot check a few records, confirm the right properties are filled, and that the total count matches your expectations. If something looks off, you can fix mappings and re-import that same file. That's it. You've successfully imported contacts into HubSpot CRM with clean mappings and compliant data, setting yourself up for better segmentation, automation, and outreach.